Agents that are part of a chat queue can also take chats and SMS messages to chat in the unified application. If an agent is logged into a chat queue, chats will appear to the left of the window. As with call notifications, chat notification pop-ups and sounds can be turned on or off from Settings, Application Settings. Navigate here and check or uncheck the appropriate boxes as desired. Once a chat is received, the agent simply needs to respond to the chat, and they will become part of the chat. If the chat happens to be an SMS chat, there will be an SMS identifier located by the chat. While performing chats, the agent will have the option to stop new chats. This feature is designed to prevent new chats coming to this agent as, by design, agents are allowed to take multiple chats as set in the admin portal. When on multiple chats, the agent can navigate back and forth through each chat that they are attending to by clicking on the chats to the left. Individual chats will be identified across the top of the chat window by chat name or SMS number. When an agent receives an SMS message, the initiating chat will be in yellow to notify the agent that this is the beginning of the session. This is by design, as SMS messaging will display a message history. By nature, SMS interactions are not always immediate and can carry on throughout the day or even into the next day. This history will allow any agent that is available and may be continuing with the SMS client to follow the history of the interaction. Beneath the chat message pane, you will see an icon for Predefined Messages. Predefined messages can be created in the admin portal by users with access. Predefined messages are created to help speed the process of responding to chat inquiries by agents. Clicking on this icon, an agent will see all predefined messages that have been assigned to chat queues that they are a part of. On the right pane, you will see customer information. For SMS, information is limited, but for chats, you can see information that is asked of the client, as well as device data such as IP addresses, browser, and operating system platform. You should now understand how to perform voice and chat SMS interactions using the Engage tab in the Unified Desktop application. Thanks for watching.
Orchestrating a Brighter World, NEC.